The other one I created, because I created one for Tito. So I watched the video. So I go on his channel. We don't use it. It's just, and I go watch one of our videos, right? And then I go look on the time watch, and it works. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna play. I'm gonna play not the same one, but different videos. because I was watching videos from another guy, and whatever he was explaining, it makes sense. If you're just starting, whenever you put videos out, there's like categories. When you're a small channel, YouTube is gonna play everything on the big channel first, the one with the more subscribers, right? So that's part of what they call the algorithm. Mm. Like there's different months that it's slower. Also, it's not a lot of people or subscribers. So he was saying that whenever you have less subscribers, and you might have views, but you don't have like a lot of, for example, returning viewers or stuff like that. Then whenever you put something, even if it's good, that YouTube can put it in a different level of the algorithm. So it wouldn't get a lot of views like the other ones that are good. You understand what I mean? Like I got some videos that I never thought they were gonna get a lot of views, and they got almost 300 views, right? For example. And then I upload one that I did that I was thinking, man, this was gonna be, and then it has the less views, you know. And then it was also saying that the hashtags. Oh, there's no more knife, huh? The little one.
You put the camera this side because I'm not.
Okay, bring me 3 potatoes. All right, I'm sorry. We'll start peeling some potatoes. Okay, I'm gonna peel some potatoes while we'll peel potatoes while the pan gets hot. Put it right here for now. Some of these potatoes are bad, man. Look at that. I'm gonna have to cut more.